Okay, welcome to the last video this week, 28th of January 11. Right, we'll get straight into the trades that we had today. The first signal was at 7:05. Sorry, it's coming off a 7:05 bar, and we actually triggered at 7:10. So we had the full signal here, just as we come up to the S1 bar as well. 15874, the entry, which is more or less right on it, and it has come traded down through. We've got to just about 20 pips if you're trading with a 1 pip spread before it's actually come back and retraced. I actually waited for a full return signal, which was at 8:55 off this bar, and that actually brought us out of the trade with a minus 10, minus 11 pips, depending on who you've got your broker with. So then we reversed straight up for the long signal, which bought at 15885. Had a stop there of 30 again, bringing us just below this area. After holding the trade and bouncing around, this S1 became our support then. And as we've got later on in the afternoon, 11:30, we had a nice, lovely move up to the upside. First point, obviously the pivot that we've been looking for, broke straight through the pivot and up, and there was around about 82 pips profit to be had. That, like I say, this would have been my initial target, and that was a 50 pips. It's come back up and as it traded down, so I hope everyone would have got at least around 50 pips, but there was a maximum of 82, I think, on that trade. Before coming down, I think most people finished the Friday then by lunchtime. I know there wasn't much talking on Skype going on by then, but we have come back down and traded through the pivot again. There was a signal at 1:35, so we've come off this bar here, 15903. Again, it's a big number, so whether anyone wanted to get involved, but if you had got involved in that, you could have played this all the way back down. Our first target, the S1, smoothly all the way through it, almost getting to the S2, but closing this trade around 4 o'clock would have netted another 75 pips if anyone did carry on. I know, like I always say, especially Friday, if you're in a position where you're 50 pips up for the day, or you could have taken the 50 plus the minus 10, come out with 60 pips, 50 pips profit for the day. I wouldn't knock anyone for doing that on a Friday, but anyone that was staying in for the long term, there was another 75 pips to be had, so that would have made another over 100 pip day. So yeah, good end to the week after a bad day yesterday. We can nicely get them pips back, and we've put in anything around a 300 pip week again. So well done everyone that got on the big moves of the day, especially Tuesdays, and I look forward to speaking to you all next week.